Welcome back to In Focus. I'm your host, Thuy Phan. Before the break, you got a chance to find out more about what One Body Village does to help the children of Vietnam and Cambodia. In this segment, we'll find out more about what you can do in your own way to help. For the past 12 years, Father Martino has been a voice. He has been a voice for the scared, the forgotten, and most importantly, he has been a voice for the children. And now, as he spreads the message and brings awareness to people all across the nation, he is mobilizing a whole new generation of hope.
Hello, my name is Father Martino Nguyen. I'm a Catholic priest from the Diocese of Savannah, Georgia. I'm here to talk to you about the problem of child sex slavery in Cambodia. How did I involve into that? Back in 1995, when I was a first-year college student, I worked with homeless children. And then 1999, when I go back to Cambodia, I worked with the homeless children. I recognized the problem of child sex slavery in Cambodia. Since that time, I have worked with the U.S. government, different agencies to spread this news. I have gone undercovers and have done many things. Problem of child sex slavery in Cambodia is very, very bad. They're talking about probably up to 100,000 children. I'm talking children under 18 here. Most of them are girls being sold into brothel to serve men. And according to the U.S. State Department, they serve about 10 to 15 men a day. Where are these children come from? We may ask the question. Well, has been working there for more than 10 years and one of the first who got in there and continue to be in there until today. I can tell you that probably 70% of them are Vietnamese. That's my nationality. They was either trafficked from Vietnam to Cambodia, or some of them Vietnamese who grow up in Cambodia. Many of them, I have to use the word many, probably up to 30 or 40% of them are under the age of 10. Now, talking about that, we're going to say, well, what can we do as a community? Is the government going to do anything about that, or the government just going to let it be? Well, 2003, the State Department under Colin Powell came into Cambodia along with the Interpol. They did an operation. How many millions, I don't know. It cost a lot. And they saved 33 kids. And 33 out of almost probably 40, 50, 60,000 kids. But at least it raised the international awareness about the problem of child sex slavery in Cambodia. So just the Cambodian government begin to enforce law, to consequences for tourists being caught with child trafficker. And police is everywhere in Cambodia. If you ever been in there, they can arrest you anytime they want. The bad news, not the good news. The bad news is that actually the police and the local governments are the one who actually own this brother, or they behind the scene. Even with MSNBC and many other people come in there investigate the night before you come in with a 20 square room, you may have 40 kids in there, and the next day you come in and nobody know. Why is it? Because the police are actually either directly or indirectly control or in charge of these operating. What can we do as a community? I think we need to raise the awareness, the problem. We need to continue to talk about it. The more we talk about it, the more people know we are watching them. Would we just let the government doing that? I don't think so. For us, the One Body Village, who have been doing this for the last 12 years in Cambodia, Vietnam, and we are opening another house in Laos, we can tell you this. We can rescue one kid and they bring in 10. So I think not only we rescue and save these kids, we need to continue to do awareness, prevention. We need to talk about the community, the awareness, to let the people know. Now, easy to say that to let them know, but these are very poor. The poverty is the problem here. When the parents are in poverty, they do anything they could. And many of them, sadly, are the people who sold their own child into this brother for $300, $400, $500 so they can use that money to start a business and doing something. So not only my hope but my belief that all of you who listen to this, especially who are in the you're going to become lawyers and judges here, I hope that you take this serious. And it's not just in Asia, it's everywhere, so that we can do something to prevent it, to enforce the law, and to save these kids from these what I call the living hell on earth.
Many people have wondered if OBV is a religious mission since its founder is a Catholic priest, but the answer is no.
Cái vấn đề về tín ngưỡng thì nó không có phân biệt giữa Công giáo hay là Phật giáo hay là tất cả đạo khác. Cái sự phân biệt ở đây là do tự chúng sanh phân biệt trong cái cách hành động mà thôi. Còn phần lớn thì đạo nào cũng dạy chúng ta ăn hiền ở lành, làm việc thiện, vậy thôi, chứ đâu có cái đạo nào biểu con làm chuyện sai trái đâu. Thành ra mọi người đều là có thể sống chung với nhau trong một cái cộng đồng, mặc dầu khác cái lòng tin trong tín ngưỡng. Đó là thầy tin như vậy.
Christine Sa, who first featured Father Martino on SBTN's Heart to Heart program almost 2 years ago, has been an outspoken supporter for this cause. Her mom and Toronto native says she is proud to have daughters who support this mission.
Mà hai đứa con gái là Tâm Đoan với Christine Sa đó, mà nó giúp được cái việc này thì thật ra cô Yến cũng thấy vui lắm. Cô Yến nghĩ rằng cái gì cũng phải có cái sự tiếp tay của rất nhiều người, không thể một nhóm người ít người mà làm được những việc lớn như thế này. Thì bây giờ có những người đóng góp về cái này cái kia về vật chất, thì nếu những người không thể đóng góp về vật chất cũng nên tuyên truyền, kể lại những cái chuyện này cho những người mà người ta chưa biết, để cùng với nhau gọi là mỗi người một tiếng, gây một cái phong trào để chống lại một phần nào những cái tệ nạn này ở trong cái xã hội Việt Nam hay là Campuchia hay là các nước chậm tiến đối với trẻ con.
Whether you are young or old, you can help. At every OBV event, young people volunteer and give of their time to do what they can.
Well, originally, one of my friends told me about it and asked me to volunteer, but when I was here, I felt really strongly about it because all the stories are really moving and touching, and I just wanted to help because all those kids that are being trafficked are not really, they don't really have a say in anything, so it's just good to help out because I have a say in a lot of things. So.
Em tên là Thúy, thì ở Canada mới về thăm mấy đứa nhỏ ở One Body Village, thì gặp được 12 em. Thì em nhỏ nhất là 7 tuổi, là em lớn nhất là 18 tuổi. Thì khi mà mình nhìn những đứa em như vậy thì trong lòng mình rất là đau xót, là tại vì mình cũng có những hai đứa con gái cũng cỡ tuổi 8-9 tuổi, bây giờ nó được 12 tuổi, nhưng mà khi mà mình nghe những cái đó thì mình không thể mà cầm được cái nước mắt của mình, là tại vì mình cảm giác được cái sự đau đớn của những đứa nhỏ đó như thế nào. Cho dù không muốn mà cũng phải làm, là tại vì cha mẹ nó bán nó. Thì hy vọng rằng khi mình qua đây thì mình hy vọng rằng mình sẽ kêu gọi bạn bè hay những người nào có thể giúp được một tay hoặc là lên một tiếng nói để mà hy vọng được những cái chuyện đó không còn xảy ra ở bên Việt Nam nữa.
If you want to see for yourself what this is all about, Father Martino has an open invitation for anyone traveling to Vietnam to stop by OBV's house and meet the girls for themselves.
I challenge you, why don't you go back and spend a week with the children? Understand them, live with them, be with them, love them, care for them, hug them. That's what I need. That's what they need from you, more than your money. Yes, they need money to live, but they need your love. They have lost their family, and you now become their families. That's what I'm here to ask for. So young people, you tell, well, I don't have money, I don't know what to do. Well, you can do a lot. As young people, you work in the American community, spread the word out for them. In your school, you have to write paper, right? Write about this problem. That's what you could do.
The thing is, like, I on Facebook, there's people comment on Father Martino website say, hey Father, I know that you are trying to do this, but I feel like sometimes nó không có effective because mình càng giúp các em thì họ lại đưa các em mới vô cái tình trạng này, nó it's so corrupted that we cannot stop it. Nhưng mà at least nếu mà mình đặt được cái người họ như vậy, put yourself in your shoe. If you are the children, do you want us to do everything we can to take you out of that hell? So that I feel that, you know, mình không làm được nhiều nhưng mình làm một chút xíu cũng mean a lot rồi. Đối với các em cho một cái sự sống mới như vậy là quá tốt.
To me, every person who watches this and every person who has heard Father Martino speak on this issue of child sex slavery is responsible. In a way, it's like the game of tag. Once you've heard it, it's now your turn to tag others and educate them on what child sex slavery is all about. For some of these children, it is a matter of life or death, and you could be just that person that they're waiting for to lend them a helping hand. Until next time, we hope you learn more, live more, and always stay focused. Thanks for watching.